My name is Leslie Elrod. I work at the Dalton Academy High School. I teach forensics and physics, and it's really exciting and it's a blessing to be here. This is the first semester or years we're doing physics, and that's what I love about Dalton Public School Systems. What they do is allow teachers to do more freehand, more tactile, so the students get more real life world applications. We're friends, we're partners, we're a family. And some of these students, they need family. And we're their family, we're their safe place. And to be able to be safe and family with your coworkers and build that environment and lift each other up and share and collaborate, that's what Dalton Public School System is, and that's our excellence. That is our difference, is that we're the different school that talks to one another, that raises each other up, that has fun, and by that wonderful spirit, raises our students up.